What a week we have had here at G3 as we had our huge physical Bedford launch sales. 3 sales over the course of the week and they all went spectacularly with plenty of special guests and much more. Stay tuned today to find out more about our Bedford site and a Q&A with Mike Brewer. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you will know that this week we held our G3 Bedford Physical Sales Launch Week. Now, we welcomed guests from throughout the industry and Mike Brewer himself. The first launch sale on Monday featured almost 300 lots auctioneered by not only our own fantastic team, but auction legend Andy Conda and industry celeb Mike Brewer, who auctioned off several lots, including the very first car of the sale. Plenty of our dealers won prizes donated by Mike Brewer, V12 and G3 throughout the bustling sale, and even more dealers won cars for their forecourts. We hosted Palmer Sports race cars outside our reception, attracting a lot of attention from our dealers, and rightly so. We also had partners V12 Finance, Dealerkit and Evolution Warranties attending throughout the week. The buzz certainly did not die down as the week went on, with a 220-lot elite sale on Wednesday featuring some stunning cars, and over 100 LCVs heading through this Friday morning. So if you came along to any of our 3 Bedford launch sales this week, let us know how you found it in the comments, and thank you for coming. We had a fantastic week at G3 Bedford. Now, next up this week, we have a bit of a Q&A with Mike Brewer. We'll give some more information on our G3 Bedford site, plus some tips and tricks for our dealers.
On my first visit here to this brand new facility at G3, they've done a marvellous job. You got to think these are sort of old facilities, but they've modernised it. They've made it look really swanky inside. You've got a huge, great big video screen, so all the information is clearly laid out. A beautiful reception area and lots of happy, smiling staff. And that's really important, because if you're coming to an auction environment and you want to buy something and you're not too sure what to do or how to do it, because it's a high volume environment, very exciting, and there's always staff on hand to hold your hand and guide you through the process. It really is cool. So there are lots of benefits to buying a car at a physical auction rather than just sitting on your phone or behind a computer and buying online. Number one is you get to touch and feel the metal. You get to smell it. You get to see it. You actually get to see it moving as well, driving through the auction block. Plus, you also get a chance to stand around other dealers, other people that are interested in the cars, to find out what they think about them. It's a chance to get your eyes on the machinery before you raise your hand to buy. So would I recommend G3 to other car dealers? Well, I have been. Since their launch up in Castleford, where I was blown away by the facility, I've been begging people to get back into the auction environment and definitely go and visit G3. It's like they've taken what was an antiquated business, the old auction blocks, and they've modernised it and made it slick and made it approachable, warm and friendly. And that's what I love about it. So yeah, any car dealers or private individuals out there that want to buy a car at auction, then make sure you choose G3. Well, what a day it's been here at G3. They've had over 300 car lots go through the auction. Lots of hands being raised. I think about over 90% of the cars have been sold. Lots of smiling faces, lots of dealers going home now with stock they can put on their forecourts and get sold. It's been an incredible day to be amongst dealers as well, to meet so many friends down here and make new friends. I've really enjoyed it. And the next time you're looking to buy a car, then please look up G3.
And that's everything for this week. Be sure to join us next week, where we're launching our 8 sales a week sales schedule across both of our sites, all of which can be attended both physically and online. Thank you to those once again who attended our G3 Bedford Physical Launch Week. And we thank you very much for attending. We hope to see you back in the coming weeks to stock your forecourts. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for another Live from the Lanes.